Another tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Ford County in east central Illinois, Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Benton County in northwestern Indiana, Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 8:45 p.m. or 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
I'll go downstairs.
p.m. or 8:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado were located along the line extending from Savannah near Ashcombe to 6 miles northwest of Watsika to near Cessna Park near Rankin, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
What?
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Oh, really?
Tree damage is likely.
What?
Storms will be near Kentland and Morocco around 7:55 p.m. Barrel Park around 8:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these tornadoes include Goodland, Brook, Fowler,
Almost lost power?
Rensselaer, Remington, and Hanging Grove.
Okay.
Now,
Hold on.
move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
I just saw lightning.
This line of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.